Warning. We are no longer accepting negative energies in our space.
Hey guys, it's Tom. I'm going to be doing sort of like a birthday haul. I actually got this package last week and I've held off on opening it till today, April 3rd, my birthday. As probably some of you guys have known or you guys have seen, I've been on a spiritual journey and I came across a shop owned by a very good friend of mine. We actually go way back to like elementary. So when I found her shop, more like it was like, I'm gonna support her. She's my sister. We go way back, and I'm going to open the package I got from her. Okay. So this is the package, guys. Yes, USPS. Guys, what happened here? What the? Like, why you gotta do me like that? Like, not even cool. So, the name of the shop, I will turn around and post the link. Probably the link will be above. Yes, so I'm excited to win this. Like, I'm not even kidding. I legit held off on opening this box. And yeah, I mean, you get mail for yourself. You want to turn around and open it automatically, right? You want to know, you want to see what you got. So, I don't have a box cutter. Ouch. This isn't working. This bad boy. This week 13 moons. This will open. This will open. I can hear it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Be careful when handling sharp objects, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, guys! Right off the bat, I can smell something. It's like a scent. There's a scent to this. So guys, the name of the shop actually is, I don't know, I'm gonna say this wrong. Persephone's Sacred Ceremony and Gifts. So you guys get a peek of that. Persephone's. And it says, may the goddess shine her light in my consciousness and connect me to my truth and my highest mind, now and always. So they are wrapped very, very tightly. I kind of don't want to mess up the paper. So I found that. Ooh. Wrapped with bubble wrap. So that's definitely good. So nothing was smashed in the process. So guys, can you see that? See how beautiful she is? I feel wrong holding her head like this, but the Midnight Magic Goddess holds an obsidian which anchors protection and transmutes negative energy. She is the beholder of her own magic, divinity, and truth. Her power is encouraging your truth and authenticity to surface gently and lovingly for your highest good. She is an ally in encouraging you to lead with your heart. Express your passion with creativity, constructively, and most importantly, to hold space for you. So this is the Midnight Magic Crystal Goddess. Look at that. She's such a beauty. She's holding like a little key too. I'm like, her own magic. So the protection crystal goddess. These crystal goddesses are powerful protectors and transmuters against negative energy. They hold a tourmaline, which can be used to both repel and protect against negativity. It is excellent for deflecting radiation energy. It enhances one's physical well-being by providing an increase to physical vitality, emotional stability, and intellectual acuity. I don't even know if I said that right, the last word right, but let's go see if I can tap this and get a little. Yes, guys, that she's holding a little crescent moon. If anybody knows me, like, yeah, you guys know I am obsessed. I love the moon. I love the moon and like stars and astrology and stuff. She's such a beauty. You get to join your sisters. She's such a beauty. So guys, look at this. This is the Aries crystal goddess. This crystal goddess is packed with potent fire and masculine energy. In honor and celebration of Aries season, these goddesses work to empower your self-confidence and drive while fueling courage and motivation. Their hematite heart clears blockage, transmutes negative energy, and calls in a grounding presence. Look at that cute little Aries goddess. Yes, queen, I'm queen for it. Look at a cute little flower. Guys, I'm telling you, these are beautiful. These are breathtaking. I could feel the energies from each and every one of the goddesses in it. Look at this beauty. And she even has little fairy wings. It's not even. It's so cute. Look at those fairy wings. Fairy wings. Oh my goodness. Look at that bottle. So this is the prosperity crystal goddess. Each goddess holds a spell bottle to draw in luck, prosperity, and mental clarity to succeed in your financial goals. Her spell bottle contains the following herbs: salt for protection, cinnamon for prosperity, mint for luck, calendula to promote positivity, and orange peel for success. Each spell bottle also has perheronite, which enhances inner knowing and is also known as the healer stone, and chrysocolla, which improves communication, psychic vision, and encourages self-awareness and inner balance. This is the prosperity crystal goddess. I was like on each and every one of them. They're so pretty. So this one actually is the moon crystal goddess. Moon crystal goddesses are companions and protectors in the astral realm. They provide protection, grounding, and clarity for messages that are needed to come through within your dreams. Their spell water contains black salt, mugwort, obsidian, labradorite, moonstone, and tiger's eye. She best assists when placed on your bedside through the night. Spell bottle, black Hawaiian salt for protection, mugwort to enhance clarity in astral realm, labradorite to activate your third eye and provide clear communication between guides and the spiritual realm, and moonstone enhances intuition and activates feminine energy. These so pretty, guys. Some of you guys may know that I've been wanting white platinum hair for the longest time, and I have never found somebody who can turn around and make it as platinum as this. So that's on to you. Pacific Cat Eyes goddesses. Each crystal goddess holds Shiva's eye, also known as Pacific Cat's eye. These beautiful shells represent the creation, preservation, and destruction of all from the flow of life, the constant change in the world, spiritual knowledge for creative visualization. These goddesses assist in breaking down systems and patterns that no longer serve your being, while creating room for your growth. They also assist in opening your third eye to bring your desires and needs into reality. They are associated with the Aries zodiac, therefore bringing forth passion and inspiration for your highest good. Oh, so now I know which sister you want to put. I'll put you next to you. Awesome. So pretty. That is Pacific Cat Eyes Goddess. So, your beautiful white hair. Guys, breathtaking. Just breathtaking. So this beauty is the Aphrodite crystal goddess with rose quartz. These crystal goddesses exclude love, passion, and grace of the goddess Aphrodite. Each goddess holds a shell representing the water goddess's power to bring calmness and grace. And a rose quartz sphere is held within the shell to bring healing to emotional wounds, resentment, and worry in all areas of life. Most importantly, promoting gentle yet powerful healing to the heart space. Aphrodite, crystal goddess. She also has different mists. This is the Aphrodite mist. Oh my goodness. I can smell it. I think that's what I'm smelling. So these are aura mist. This is the Aphrodite aura mist. Aphrodite aura mist is call to action to love yourself deeply when coming to parts of yourself that feel unworthy of love. When you allow yourself to be enveloped in this aura mist, you are reclaiming your beauty, your sensuality, and all the things that bring you pleasure in life. This mist includes notes of bergamot, orange sparkling cassis, deep sea water, hyacinthus, I'm saying that wrong, blue lilies, lemon zest, patchouli, and seaweed. Guys, I've smelled this scent before. That's what's crazy about it. This scent is something like I've smelled before. So Persephone aura mist. Wow. Why do these scents smell like I smelled them before? So the Persephone aura mist. Persephone is the maiden of spring and the queen of the underworld, who teaches us that we can live in harmony with the light and the dark. If we choose to surrender to its lessons and beauty of each, this mist serves as a reminder that the light and dark aspects of yourselves are welcome in this world, and that there are space for you to learn how to embrace both. As an aura mist, it assists in aligning the chakras, awakening your senses while gently grounding you through your heart space, included are notes of geranium, rose, raspberry, plum, gardenia, sandalwood, muskwood, patchouli, and vanilla. Guys, I am not kidding when I say so far Aphrodite and Persephone's aura mist I've smelled before. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding. The Persephone. And then just some goodies. This is a soap. She makes these herself. So Sun and Moon, I resonate with the moon so much. I don't know what it is about, but it's so mystical, and you know, the sun just, it's like a breath of fresh air, energy, you know, like it's bright, it's warm. It smells so good. It smells so good. So guys, that's pretty much all. She gave all their smart goodies. I almost forgot those. Guys, so this is bath salt. Bath salts. Royal Sunshine. I'm not sure Yeah. Probably when I go to a place that has a bathtub, give it a shot. So let's go open this bad boy and smell how this smells. Oh, ray of sunshine. Yes, ray of sunshine. I smell the hints of coconut or something. That's what I'm smelling. It's like kind of coconut. A little squish of ray of sunshine. It's so good. I'm not even kidding. It's so good. So yeah, ray of sunshine. Ray of sunshine. Oh yeah. So guys, this is the card, her business card. Persephone's Secret Ceremony and Gifts. Thank you for supporting, of course. With love, Jackie. I'm turning around and put the link to her Etsy shop and Instagram. And I believe they have a Facebook too. But I will leave it in the caption or the description. So guys, honestly, I am in love with each and every one of these goddesses. Tell me I can't, but it's possible. And so go check her out. Persephone's Sacred Ceremony and Gifts.
Warning. We are no longer accepting negative energies in our space. It's very simple. Let me break it down for you.